In this video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have both of your videos loaded in. Then drag one of your videos to your timeline just like so. Then all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and then drag and drop the second video, but you want to drag and drop it like this so that one of them goes over the other, and then we'll have something that looks like this. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just make sure you select on both of these videos. So there's going to be 4 tracks in total. So we have 2 video layers and we have 2 audio layers because we have 2 different videos and each of those videos has its separate video and audio layer. But anyways, afterwards, all you want to do is you want to right click on it. Then you want to select on synchronize just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on audio. Then go ahead and press on OK. From there, it is now going to sync to both videos, and then as you're able to tell, things are good to go. And then from here, you can make any needed adjustments. So you can go ahead and trim off the audio over here, and you can go ahead and adjust the video layers just like so. And then you can go ahead and delete one of the audio layers so that you're only left with one audio layer. So we can go ahead and do this, and then bam, there you go. You are good to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.